Okay, first stop today is Bodega. You've seen me at my concert from Miami before. You know I'm here every year. A few reasons. One, great food, great tacos. We're gonna go in there. We're gonna eat a burrito. It's gonna be great. Two, you come here at night. Can't see it here because it looks like a taco shop, but you go through the porta potty. It's one of the best places to drink in Miami. One of my favorite spots ever in like the whole world. So obviously I'm gonna come here first thing, get some food because there's a very good chance that I will end up back here at some point. So let's go eat.
Bodega is basically home for me in South Beach. While I recommend the tequila, to counter all of that, let's see how they make their Baja Burrito. A tortilla is reheated on a flat top, and then Mexican rice is added, followed by the deep fried grouper, a chipotle cojita dressing, avocado salsa, charred pineapples, red cabbage, and finished with some cilantro.
All right, so let's get into this Baja Burrito, the fried grouper in there. Just look how pretty it is. It's colorful, right? There we go. Ooh. You know what's really nice in here? I really like that sweetness in the pineapple, like playing off of that chipotle cilantro salsa. Wow, very, very, very nice. And super texture, all texture. Cabbage, fried grouper. Awesome, awesome bite. I was starving. Just made me happy. Right.